I want to say it was fun, but like my mouth said no. My mind tell me yes, and my mouth said no.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Keke Necessary, and today we have a special guest on my channel, my boyfriend.
Yeah. Hey guys, I am Evan, Kay's boyfriend, and you will be seeing a lot of me on this channel because I'm going to take over a channel.
Is it?
Yes.
Anyways, so today we'll be doing the spicy noodle challenge.
Oh yeah.
And we got all the spiciness on the table. We have everything on the table right here. So we have our sauce and the herbs. I think this is sesame seeds, nothing less. I do believe it's sesame seeds.
Okay.
And then I have my milk and he has his milk.
Cow's milk.
Which is pure cow's milk, and I just drink almond milk. And then I have a glass for myself and him will drink out of the box. And it looked like him give me more noodle than him. If you notice, yes. Watch here.
Problem solved. Carry on.
Okay, so guys, we're going to begin by adding the noodles and the sauce to the noodles and the herb.
Alright, notice I'm gonna squeeze out everything. And just for the record, I don't appreciate a lot of pepper in my food.
He doesn't actually.
Just for the record, do you think that?
The sesame seed thing? Yeah.
Alright, so doing
you
the
don't
seeds
want
too.
It?
Not necessarily.
Just dash it in there. Dash it in there.
So now we mix. Oh my god. Yo, the pepper burn me already. This is real. Don't play. Why me take the bigger bowl again?
Because you love me?
Yes. I love my girlfriend. KK
Or you could
necessary.
just take out some and put in mine. That's all it is have to do.
I no matter. I think them almost even. Everyone, this does have been a little bit more. So not a big deal. Yo man, I'm afraid. Like, I feel antsy. Anxiety I build up. I do not love spicy food now. I swear. I do not.
Well,
so this is particularly harder for me because Kay loves spicy food. And whenever I cook, I always try to make it spicy.
So yeah, practiced for a long time.
Yeah. Because she tell me that she want to do this spicy noodle challenge from a good while back now, so make sure I prepare slowly. Already.
Then was bigger.
Yes, that will be my problem. This is not a time challenge, so it's not. Is it a time challenge? Okay. I just who don't drink milk first.
I guess. Who finish first?
Who finish first without drinking milk? If I drink milk, you lose automatically.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, that's the rules. However, if I drink milk before finishing the noodles, you're out.
I feel like milk drink milk.
Yes! I like it.
Noodles. Noodles and tools big. Like, and just well.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know if y'all can see this one. Yeah.
Alright, so.
Let me cut my ear.
Hey, stuff is gonna get real.
You know it's about to go down
when you ties
tied.
her hair up, you know. It's about to go down.
Alright.
On your mark, pull your cock, drink.
I don't tell my ear too.
Yeah, you just come back to me. That can't help you, okay?
Not bad.
Let me just do this again. It's hot, 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 hot. You know that?
Alright, it's get hot now. I'll make one big gulp. Just.
And I'm inside a burn.
I don't know what's finished.
The cat says that you're going, can me.
I'm crying.
Tears of joy. Tears of joy.
Can I drink the milk?
You're not done yet. Yeah, almost done. It's I get really hot now. I don't mean it's a burn me.
Don't make it touch your lip. Make it slow because we have to go down.
We're not doing anybody.
Well, drink the milk.
My nose start running water now.
You start getting red.
I feel like a dragon. Like kind of spitfire right now.
Almost done. Because I take my good time because I want to finish or drink the milk.
You can do it.
Don't drink the milk, just take something and eat it.
Milk. What is the milk? Alright. This now play. I'm not play this again.
No, I don't know what about. It's bearable.
No, baby boy. No, I don't know what I'm right.
That's your lip red.
Yeah. Excuse me. I'm doing much of it. You win. This hot, people, hot.
It's not that hot.
It is. Anybody want to try to link me? Yeah, you win. You win. If I did cold noodle challenge, I would have win that.
Yeah, because you more than noodle than me.
Make this spicy as hell. Excuse me.
Cheers.
So that's for the record, kid. You make them red. What? Just for the record, K1 by a good amount. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is what I have left.
A lot, and I just paused a lot for him so that we could make you eat more.
This was a rough one.
I think almond milk and the spicy noodle taste good together.
You got a funny taste, man.
It tastes weird. Tastes bitter, actually. So for our couples challenge on my channel, I just got 1 score. 1 point for the K's.
Oh.
It's 1. I ate everything. And
Alright, I get 1.
And I didn't drink milk until after I finished.
Alright, 1.
You're rubbing me.
I can feel it like right in this area right here.
Isn't it good? It will help clean out your sinus. So that's it, guys.
That is it, guys. Cause me not tell me can manage more in a one sitting.
I tied up my hair for nothing.
For nothing.
So bye, guys. See you in our next challenge, probably. Because we'll be doing more challenges on my channel.
Word to the wise, don't try this spicy noodle challenge.
Try it. Definitely try it. It's not that bad.
Try it, have fun. It was, I want to say it was fun. But like my mouth said no. My mind tell me yes and my mouth said no. This was not a fun one. Wow. Sorry. So that was a good one, that was fun, right?
What?